Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So how are you going to assemble your N210 once you receive your N210? So let's just recap. This is your N210, uh, and we have a daughter card right here, uh, which is right here. This is a UBX daughter card that has 1 megahertz all the way up to uh, 6 gigahertz and the bandwidth of about 40 megahertz. So UBX-40. This is like the top of the line for N210 series. So once you receive this, on the back of it, you got two screws right here. Just simply unscrew them. So let me unscrew it for you. Let's unscrew both of these screws. Let's unscrew this guy as well. Once you unscrew both of these screws, so once you have unscrewed both of these screws, simply just slide it off like this, pull it out like this, and this is your inside of a N210. As you can see, it has a Spartan chip, which is an FPGA chip, which is the brain of this USRP. This is where the processing would take place, and now this is the place where you're going to hook up your daughter card, which is your N210. So simply, what you need to do is just pick up your daughter card like this. This is how I do it, and then match it with this like this. So what I need to do is just simply insert it like this, if you can see it, and then just once you have inserted in that notch, just simply push it in, and it should be aligned. Let's just look at it one more time from inside of this. I think it looks quite aligned. Yep. So like this, and just align it along with these ports, with these two ports. So just simply align it, and just simply push it in. That's it. This is how you insert your daughter card. Now with your daughter card and with your USRP, you will get two of these patch cords. These two patch cords are also be part of your package. Just simply remove them, and these ports, just simply remove these two plastic things out. Just remove them out like this, and once you get a daughter card, and remove this part out, because we're gonna unscrew this and leave this as is. Leave that screw out, leave this guy, same thing, take this out, unscrew it, take these two things out. Now okay, so the best way to do it, to insert these patch cords, just insert it first into one of these front holes that you see. So just insert it like this, and then second, do the same thing for the second port. Easily you can insert it because there is a notch like this. Once you have inserted both of these guys, bring these two of these screws, this, just put it right here and screw it. Screw it like this. Insert the same cable again. I think it just came out. second. Like this. Just simply screw it. Now, this is the way we're going to do it. We're going to insert this, screw it right here, make a heart shape. Screw it on the daughter card. Same thing, we're going to make a heart shape and screw it onto the daughter card. Tighten this up. Here we go. So this is how you actually assemble it. You have both of these ports, which is going to be, so this port which is going in, this is going to be your RX2, and this one which is coming from TX-RX1, this is going to be your transmitting port. You need to make a shape like this, like a heart shape, in order for these cables to go and insert it at this particular point, which is going to be this. Now simply once you have inserted this, you get extra screws, you can mount them. I'll just show you one of these guys. It will come with a hex key. Simply just take one of these guys, which is actually part of your daughter card, just insert it and screw it. Just to make sure it's tight, like this. And you can do the same for the rest of the screws. So once you have done this, once you have all of your connections are properly made, it's just, next thing is just to put this box on this. So there's a notch right here. This needs to slide over. So the thing is that this right here, this notch that you see on the cover, this one, this is where you need to slide this back part of your cover of your USRP. So this is what we're going to do. Just simply hold it like this with both of your hands and just align it in both of these sides, and then just simply slide it like this. So this is a perfect fit, and this is how you normally put together your USRP. The next step is, there are some extra screws. You want to put these screws on, just simply screw them on. Take a screwdriver, especially a Phillips head, and just simply screw it. You can just simply screw it, and your USRP is all good, ready to go. In our next video, what we're going to do, we're going to try to run this using Linux, and then we're going to start our tutorial series on GNU radio and software defined radio. So I hope you like this small tutorial on how to put together your USRP. And if you have any question N210 with a daughter card, with your daughter card, okay, I hope you like this small tutorial on assembling USRP N210. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.